We believe in our future is the young innovators of tomorrow. Our whole business relies on that fresh ideas. We're a big believer in investing in the future. YIA is a big part of that.
YIA means everything to us in terms of a kura and what we provide our students in the way of opportunities that contextualise real life learning. What YIA does is give the opportunity for them to go out into the real world and experience what their problem solving skills can contribute to others and how they can impact on the communities.
Innovation thinking is totally key for us to be stepping out. We see the Young Innovator Awards as an opportunity for us to be developing talent early within the community, and one day they're going to be interns and they'll go into jobs and they're going to be the talent in the future that's going to take us on an even bigger step into the future.
It's wonderful to see the innovations coming through and the way the students are just so enthusiastic about the projects that they create.
It's an opportunity for the students of the Bay of Plenty, and I would love to see it go further than the Bay of Plenty, to be able to use innovation to look at some of the challenges that we face in our society.
Goal of this program was to create a culture of innovation in the Bay of Plenty, and 14 years on we think we are doing that. Stoked to be involved with it.